Here's a quick explanation of how to do the last problem on the Go Formative for today. In preparation for tomorrow's assessment, I want to make sure that you have seen this and that you have a confident understanding of how you get the two answers for this question, because it is pretty difficult. So the first thing I'm going to point out is that this triangle on the left here is isosceles, meaning the base angles are going to be equal to each other. So if the base angles are equal, that means I can take the 5x plus 5 and set that equal to the 7x minus 19. Then, when I solve that, I get x to be 12. Okay, because you would get 2x equals 24, divide by 2, x equals 12. Okay, but then we actually have to take that and use it to figure out more of the problem. So the next part is, after I figure out x to be 12, I'm going to put it back into this angle right here so I can figure out how many degrees I have at this angle, and then use that to figure out this vertex angle up here at the top. So 5 times 12 plus 5, so 5 times 12, and then add 5, is 65. So what that tells me is I've got 65 degrees down here at this angle, and I've got 65 degrees at this angle. I'm going to use that information to find out this vertex angle. So I'll have 180 degrees minus my two 65s, and that will be this upper angle at the top. So that equals 50 degrees. So now I have 50 degrees here. And I need that so that I can use that to go into my next triangle. So going into the next triangle, I have a linear pair, meaning that the angle next to 50, if I do 180 minus 50, that is 130. So 130 degrees can go right here, 130 degrees. And then I have another isosceles triangle, meaning that 4y minus 3 is also right here. And now I can use the fact that a triangle is 180 degrees to write 4y minus 3 plus 4y minus 3 plus 130 equals 180. And I'll use that to find the value of y. Hope this helps. You can always message me or send me an email if there's anything else I can help you with before tomorrow's assessment.